Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kullur Krishnayar from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 5th June 2025, Thursday, Vishwasnama Sambalsaram, Uttarayanam, Vasandarudo, Vaigashi Masam, that is Rishabha Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tidhi up to 4:52 am Dashami, then Ekadashi, Thursday, Guruvasaram, Nakshatram, 6:50 am Uttiram, then Hasta Nakshatram, full day Hasta Nakshatram, Rahugalam 1:30 to 3 pm, Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 am, Gulegalam 9 to 10:30 am, good time 10:30 to 11:30 am, then 5 to 6 pm. Today's Chandrashtam for Kumbharashi, Shulam South. Prachittam Jinjali oil, Shraddha Tidhi Dashami.